Good morning students. In this video lecture we are going to study about cockroach as a neat topic. Cockroach, it belongs to class Insecta and phylum Arthropoda. Cockroach is brown to blackish in color, but in tropical areas it is a bright yellow, bright red or bright green in color. The length of cockroach, it is from 0.236 inches to 3 inches, and in centimeter it is near about 0.6 to 7.6 centimeter. The body of cockroach is segmented. It is nocturnal, that is active at night, and omnivorous, as well as we can say it is omnipresent. The cockroach body, it is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. The common species of cockroach is Periplaneta americana, having the length of about 34 to 53 millimeter. Its male member, these are with long wings that extends beyond the tip of the abdomen. The exoskeleton of cockroach, this is hard chitinous, and this is present in the form of chitinous plate on each segment. The dorsal side of this plate is called tergum and ventral side is called sclerite. At each segment, tergum and sclerite, they are intercommunicated with each other by lateral arthroidal or articular membrane. The body of cockroach, as I told you, it is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. All these three parts, they are segmented, having segments. The head of cockroach, it is oval, dorsoventrally flattened and triangular in shape and hypognathous type. Hypognathous because it is facing always towards the floor. It is formed, the head of cockroach is formed by fusion of 6 segments. It is having great mobility due to the presence of neck-like cervix, which is nothing but the membranous extension of first prothoracic segment. The head of cockroach, it is having two ends, that is broad and narrow end. The broad end always directed upward and narrow end always directed downward. In the head region, the structures which are observed, these are compound eyes, mouth parts, antennae and fenestrae. Compound eyes of cockroach, this is paired, dark and kidney shaped. Number of ommatidia present in the eye, which acts as a structural and functional unit. In each eye, near about 2000 ommatidia are present, which provides mosaic or blurred vision to cockroach. Each ommatidium acts as lens. So, if 2000 ommatidia are present in one eye, means we can say near about 2000 lens-like structure present in its eye. In the head region, the mouth parts which are present, it is chewing and biting type, which includes labrum, labium, maxillae, mandible and hypopharynx. Labrum, it acts as upper lip and it is 1 in number. Labium, it acts as lower lip and it is also 1 in number. Labium, it is with labial palps which are sensory in function. Maxillae, these are 2 in number and these are regarded as upper jaws or false jaws. Maxillae, it is with maxillary palps which again is performing sensory function. The true jaws, these are mandibles. Mandibles, these are true jaws or you can say it acts as lower jaw. Mandible, it have grinding region and incising region, that's why it is mean for grinding of food material. In cockroach, the tongue-like single structure which is present, it is its hypopharynx. In the head region, one pair of thread-like filiform and segmental antennae are also present. They arises from membranous antennae sockets which lying in front of each eyes. These antennae, they act as a sensory receptors for monitoring environment, as well it acts as a tactile and olfactory receptors. With antennae, fenestrae or oscillatory spots, these are also present in the head region. Fenestrae are sensory structure present in one pair. These are present as white spots at the base of antennae socket. Thorax region of the cockroach, it having three segments, that is prothoracic segment, mesothoracic segment and metathoracic segment. Prothoracic or first thoracic segment, it gives its membranous extension towards the head and which acts as its neck or cervix. In the thoracic region, two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs are present. The wings, these are of two pairs called forewings and hindwings. Forewings, these are also called mesothoracic wings or tegmina or false wings. Forewings, these are opaque, dark, thick, leathery, and it covers hind wing when cockroach is present at rest. Forewing, this is protective in nature and do not help in flight. These forewings, they are present dorsolaterally on mesothoracic segment, hence the name is given mesothoracic wings. Hind wings, this is also called metathoracic wings or true wings. Hind wing is second pair of wings attached dorsolaterally on mesothoracic segment. It is transparent, membranous, thin and broader than forewings. It helps in flying, that's why it is called true wings. The legs of cockroach shows cursorial adaptation, that is adapted for fast running. Three pairs of legs, prothoracic leg, mesothoracic leg, metathoracic legs, these are attached ventrolaterally to sternite of prothoracic segment, mesothoracic segment and metathoracic segments. The legs, they have bristles and spines with 5 podomeres. These podomeres are in sequence coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia and tarsus. The fifth podomere, that is tarsus, it is having its own 5 segments, this called tarsomeres. The last tarsomere, it have laterally claw and aerolium as adhesive pad. The abdominal region of cockroach, it shows total 11 segments. The 11th segment fuse with 10th segment. Hence, by counting, we will get only 10 segments, but actually there is a presence of 11 segments. The filamentous anal cerci, these are present dorsolaterally at last, that is 10th segment. In female, the 7th sternum, it is boat shaped, which together 8th and 9th sterna forms female genital pouch or brood chamber. At the anterior of this brood chamber, there are total 5 openings are present. From these, one opening it is of female gonopore, 2 openings these are of spermatical pores and 2 openings these are collateral gland openings. Like this, total 5 openings these are present at the anterior most middle part of this brood chamber. In male, the 9th sternum, it fused with 9th tergum and 10th tergum together forms male genital pouch. Thread-like copulatory organ called anal style at the lateral sides of 9th segment, which is absent in female cockroach, and it gives a distinct sexual dimorphism to the cockroach. At 10th segment, dorsal anus is present and ventral opposite to it, male gonopore is present. The digestive system of cockroach, it consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal, this is about 6 to 7 centimeter in length and divided into 3 parts, that is foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut, this is also called stomodium, midgut mesenteron and hindgut also called proctorium. Foregut, it consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Gizzard is also called as proventriculus. While the mesenteron, it consists of only tubular stomach, and hindgut, it consists of ileum, colon, rectum and anus. Pharynx, it is the tubular structure in which mouth gets open. So, mouth, it leads into pharynx, pharynx it leads into esophagus. Esophagus acts as a passage to transfer food from pharynx to its further part called crop. Crop, it is extended sac-like structure in which food is temporarily stored before digestion. Crop, it leads to small, very thick walled circular structure called gizzard. In the gizzard, grinding of food material takes place. With gizzard, the foregut completes, and after this midgut starts. Midgut or mesenteron, it is nothing but stomach part. Here we can observe in between gizzard and stomach, in between gizzard and stomach, that is in between foregut and midgut, or at the junction of foregut and midgut, 6 to 7 tubular hepatic cicae are present. These hepatic cicae, they pour their secretion into the stomach, which helps in digestion of food. So, in the stomach, food gets digested and its stomach is tubular in form. Stomach, it leads to further part of the alimentary canal, that is hindgut. Hindgut, it starts with ileum. If you will observe in the diagram, in between stomach and ileum, that is in between midgut and hindgut, right, near about 100 to 150 yellow filamentous structure, these are present, called Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules, these are excretory structure which collects nitrogenous waste from surrounding hemolymph, convert it into uric acid and pour this into ileum part. In ileum, undigested food material is present. So, with undigested food, this uric acid, this also removed outside through anus. Ileum, it leads into colon, colon leads into a slightly circular thick wall structure called rectum, in which undigested food temporarily gets stored before its ejection. And ejection, this takes place with the help of the opening called anus. Circulatory system of cockroach, it is open or lacunar type, which consists of hemolymph, hemocoel, heart and alary muscles. Hemolymph of cockroach, this is colorless because of the presence of colorless plasma with hemocytes. Its hemocytes, these are phagocytic in nature, near about 3000 hemocytes present per cubic millimeter of hemolymph. Hemolymph, it do not play role in transportation of respiratory gases, hence in cockroach, respiratory and circulatory system, these are not interconnected. In the body of cockroach, the hollow space present called hemocoel, right, or body cavity or sinus. This body cavity is filled with hemolymph. Its body cavity or the hemocoel, it is divided into 3 sinuses, that is dorsal sinus, middle sinus and ventral sinus. Dorsal sinus, it is called pericardial sinus because of the presence of tubular heart in this. Middle sinus called perivisceral sinus because of the presence of visceral organs in it. And ventral sinus is perineural sinus because of the presence of ventral nerve cord. These sinuses, these are separated from each other due to presence of perforated muscular septa. One dorsal septum, one ventral septum, it is present in circulatory system of cockroach. The heart of cockroach, it is long, tubular and extends from anterior to posterior most part all along length of the body. The heart of cockroach, this is 13 chambered. These 13 chambered heart, in between they are having opening, that opening is called ostia. So ostia, these are posterior lateral opening in between each two chambers. Total 13 chambers are present. From these, 3 thoracic chambers and 10 abdominal chambers are present. From these 3 thoracic chambers, the first chamber, it extends forward and opens into head sinus. This extended first chamber is called aorta. It opens into head sinus, while the last chamber, it is closed and it is present in last abdominal segment. To give support to these chambers of the heart, 12 pairs of alary muscles are present over here. These alary muscles, these are attached to dorsal diaphragm and their pointed outer end connected to tergum. The broader side attached with chambers and pointed side attached to tergum. Circulation of hemolymph, it starts from pericardial sinus. From pericardial sinus, the hemolymph through ostia, it enters into chambers of the heart. This hemolymph, it goes backward and then flow forward. When it comes into the first chamber, it get poured into head sinus. Hemolymph, it reaches to head sinus and from there it goes to perivisceral sinus. Again from perivisceral sinus, this hemolymph it comes into pericardial sinus. In this way, there is a circulation of hemolymph carried out. The respiratory system of cockroach, this is specially tracheal type, because trachea, it plays a very important role in diffusion of gases here. A respiratory system, it consists of 10 pairs of spiracles, median trachea and the branches of trachea, tracheoles. The 10 spiracles from these two are present in the thoracic region and remaining 8 pairs are present in abdominal region. These spiracles, these are small holes, these are present at the lateral sides in between the segments. Spiracles, through spiracles the oxygen it comes and CO2 is given out. Spiracles, this gets regulated by sphincters. From each spiracle, narrow tube, it runs towards trachea. Trachea is medial large tube which give lots of branches. These branches are called tracheoles. Tracheole, it surrounds all the organ, tissues or cells of the body, and the exact exchange of gases, it takes place by diffusion in between this trachea, tracheole and the body tissues or cells. Like respiratory system, other system we have to study in cockroach, that is excretory system. Its excretory system, it is uricotelic because it excretes uric acid as nitrogenous waste. It consists of Malpighian tubule, fat bodies, nephrocytes and uricose gland. Malpighian tubules, I explained earlier, it is present in between midgut and hindgut. It collects nitrogenous waste from the surrounding hemolymph and converts it into uric acid, which pours this uric acid into the ileum, which mixed with undigested food material and given out of the body through anus. Malpighian tubule, it is the main structure of excretory system. The nervous system of cockroach, it have central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Its CNS, it consists of nerve ring, segmental ganglia and double ventral nerve cord. Its nerve ring, it is present in the head region, which is formed by supraesophageal ganglia, circumesophageal connective or commissure and subesophageal ganglia. Supraesophageal ganglia, it acts as a brain of cockroach, which is formed by fusion of ganglia. The segmental ganglia total 9 pairs, each pair in 3 thoracic segment and 6 remaining in abdominal segment. These segmental ganglia in the first, second and thoracic segments called thoracic ganglia, while present in the abdominal region called abdominal ganglia. Double ventral nerve cord, these are solid paired and arises from subesophageal ganglia, and it extends throughout the length of the body. The sense organs included in cockroach, these are pair of antennae, pair of compound eye, maxillary pulps of maxillae, labial parts of labium, and anal cerci which is present at 10th segment. Cockroach is unisexual animal, hence there is a presence of reproductive system in male and in female separately. The male reproductive system, it consists of testis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, male genital pouch, external genitalia and accessory reproductive glands. One pair of testes present laterally in 4th to 6th segment. From each testis, a tubular structure, vasa differentia, it originated out. Vasa differentia from both the sides, it opens into ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. Ejaculatory duct, it runs forward and it opens outside as male gonopore. In male cockroach, external genitalia, it includes male gonapophysis, which is also called phallomeres, that is right, left and ventral phallomeres, titillator, pseudopenis and caudal styles. These caudal styles, pseudopenis, titillator, left, right and ventral phallomeres, these together it forms the external genitalia of male cockroach. In male cockroach, the accessory glands, these are mushroom shaped gland and phallic gland. Mushroom shaped gland, it consists of peripheral long tubules and central small tubules. The central small bulge tubules together called seminal vesicle. This mushroom shaped gland with seminal vesicle, it is present mid-ventrally in 6th and 7th segment. It forms spermatophores. Spermatophore, it is nothing but bundle of sperms. So, bundle of sperm called spermatophore is formed by the secretion of seminal vesicle. One pair of phallic gland is also present, which is called conglobate gland, and its secretion, it forms the protective covering on spermatophore. In female cockroach, female reproductive system consists of ovaries, oviduct, common oviduct, spermatheca, female genital pouch and accessory reproductive glands. One pair of ovaries present laterally in 2nd to 6th segment. Each ovary, it is having 8 ovarian tubules, and in each ovarian tubule, egg in different developmental stages present. These ovarian tubules, they collectively of the one ovary unites and opens into oviduct. So, from each ovary one oviduct arises, and this opens into common oviduct or vagina. That is, the both oviduct unite to form a single vagina, and this vagina, it opens outside as a single opening, which is called female genital chamber. Spermatheca in one pair is also present in 6th segment, and which opens outside by spermathecal aperture. Female genital pouch or brood chamber, it consists of total 5 openings at its mid anterior portion. Spermathecal aperture, 2 spermathecal apertures, 1 opening of female genital aperture and 2 openings of collateral glands. So, total 5 openings, these are present at the anterior part of its brood chamber. The accessory glands included in female reproductive system of cockroach is collateral gland. Collateral gland, this is one pair, tubular, branched and helps in the formation of ootheca. So, ootheca, it is formed by collateral glands. Ootheca, this is dark reddish to blackish brown 3 by 8 or 8 mm in length. It is egg case or you can say egg capsule. Ootheca dropped by female cockroach from its rear end at crack crevices of humid places. Near about 9 to 10 ootheca dropped out together at each time. Fertilization takes place in it and near about 14 to 16 fertilized eggs are present in each ootheca. The embryonic development, it takes place in ootheca, which is called porometabolous type. Porometabolous type of development means it includes nymph stage. Nymph looks very much like an adult but without wings. 13 times molting or ecdysis takes place, hence 13 nymph stage develops. The last but one nymph stage, it is with wing pad, and after that from this wing pad wings develop and that nymph, it is converted into cockroach. So, by this video lecture I had explained the morphology and all the systems present in cockroach. In next video we are going to see about another animal, that is frog. So, be connected, be safe, be healthy. Thank you. Thank you very much.